Over 1 million cars were stolen in the US last year. A growing number were recovered because of one technology, license plate recognition. Hi, I'm Oli, and let me show you how it works and why it's changing security across every industry. Let's head to the template. As you can see here, there are some interesting numbers. But how can you use a license plate recognition camera? Every system is linked to a database. When the license plate is scanned, it will analyze with the information they already have. So you can have a blacklist, a person that had bad intentions in the past and you don't want to see that person, and a whitelist if, for example, you have a private parking lot. So the camera would just scan the license plate and open the gate. You can have so much information within a database, creating some kind of access control. And as it was explained in the introduction, it can also help in stolen car cases. You can obtain a lot of information only with someone's license plate, if you have access to the database, obviously. But one thing that is really important for you if you want to use license plate recognition is that you need a specific camera for that use. The camera resolution needs to be high, fast refresh rate, because if a car is going fast, you just have a blurry image of a license plate. And also specialized cameras have a night mode, and some cameras even have some kind of analytic, able to rebuild when something's hiding a number or a letter, because it compares what it sees and what's missing. And here is an example of a normal camera and an access camera specialized only for license plate recognition. That's how much clearer it is. So here are some cases where license plate recognition is quite often used. You have parking lots. It can filter who enters if you have a whitelist, a blacklist, or it can even track timers if it is a paid parking lot. And if the person exceeds the timer, charge extra fees. Now you have retail centers. You can basically do anything with your database and trigger actions depending of the license plate. In construction, since there are a lot of different people coming in, you can just put a license plate in your database so they have access to the construction site. You can also link it to a logbook. You can have parameters for the day and parameters for the night, depending of your needs. It's also useful for banks. All comes back to the fact that you can customize the people that can come in, when, and those that you don't want. We know truckers have very strict needs when it comes to logbooks, so you can automate carrier check-ins, verify authorized trucks. You can also follow their movements, knowing where they went and when. And lastly, the cities. This is probably the one that you're the most familiar with. Speed enforcement, traffic flow analysis, stolen car cases. If you have any more questions about license plate recognition, just ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.